Hello friends, welcome to Android Studio tutorial series by Technoprati. So today in this video you will learn about buttons and event listener. So now as you know I will always search it on Google button Android. Okay, so here you can see public class buttons. So button is a class which extends text view, and here is the XML part given here, and here is the implementation given for the button. Now let's create one button on Android Studio. Let's go to code and okay friends, now let me change this constant layout to relative layout. Okay, now we will remove this text view and add one button here. Let's keep this wrap content, and we will give one text here, button, and okay, now let's go to Java file and oh sorry, we didn't give ID now. Let's give ID to this. ID is equal to B1. Okay, now let's go to Java file. Okay, now here we will create button B1, and now here B1 is equal to button find view by ID r dot id dot b1. Okay, now we will create a on click listener for this button B1. Now to create on click listener we will type here B1 dot set on click listener new on click listener, and now here we can type here code whichever you want to work whenever user clicks on button B1. So we will give here one toast message, toast make text this comma button 1 we will keep length short and then dot show. We will write here activity name main activity dot this. Okay, so this is on click so this is one method by which we can set a listener. Okay friends, now let's run this app and let's see how this button works. Okay, okay, okay friends, now our app is build and install in my phone. Let me show you. Okay, now here you can see a button. Whenever we click on this button, it will show a toast message. It means now our button is functioning well, so there is no problem in functioning of this button. Whenever I click here, it is showing button 1 message. Now I will show you one another method to use a listener, use a event listener here. Now instead of creating a set on click listener, we can use a one method to do that. Let's make one method, public void view view, and just now here, oh sorry, we didn't give here name. Let's give button message here, and now here we will create a toast message, toast dot make text, and here main activity dot this. Toast message is useful for checking whether this function is working properly or not. Comma, we will create here message working properly, and let's make this length short, and don't forget to create here show function, otherwise this will not show a message. Okay, now we have created one method here, and we have given name button message. Now let's go to XML, and I write now here we will create on click, and here we will give our method name button message. Okay, so yes, here we have created one button message method, and in this method we have given work, or you can give anything that you want to do whenever someone clicks on this button. So I have given here one toast message to check whether this button is working or not. Just create one method and put its method name in name here on click is equal to button message. Now I will run this, and let's check whether it will work or not. Okay friends, now our app is built and installed in my phone. Let me show you. Okay, now here I will create on this button, and okay, so it is working properly. We have just used one method, and we put this method name in on click, and whenever someone clicks on button it works. Now okay friends, now let's meet in another section. Do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.